Hello everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. Today we will talk about journalism as a career. So when we say journalism, what comes to our mind? No, we are watching news and some journalists, some TV anchor, they are reporting the news to us. But a lot of hard work, a lot of work goes behind it, goes behind the screen. It's all scripting, researching, ground reporting, content creation, how to handle the camera, how to speak, the body language, a lot of things are behind it. So those who are interested in making their career in journalism, they often look for the best colleges. So across India, we know that some of the best colleges in India for journalism is IIMC, it is AMU, it is Jamia Millia, Symbiosis. These are the top few best colleges in India for journalism. But the students who are looking for pursuing their journalism career in Madhya Pradesh, we have come up with a list of the top colleges of Madhya Pradesh if you want to pursue journalism from MP. So let's begin the video. So before going into the colleges, let's have a look at what journalism is as a career. So journalism, basically it's BJMC or mass communication. There are a few handful of courses offered, BJMC or mass communication. Now there are so many diplomas are also upcoming in the field of journalism. So what is the objective of journalism education? What students aim to achieve? They aim to achieve truthful reporting, where they trained to gather news, to gather true news, and to also verify if the news is correct or not, because it could also be a word of mouth. So with accuracy and fairness. They are taught about media literacy, how to build critical thinking to analyze media messages and counter misinformation. In the era of WhatsApp forwards, you have to be aware what is true and what is not. What is being spread just to spread misinformation. Third is public accountability. It also empowers students to act as watchdogs, because journalists are accountable to the public. What news they are reporting, what are we consuming as media? If that is true, that should be there or not, the journalists are responsible for it. So it also teaches you media accountability, public accountability. Next is multimedia skills, master print, broadcast, digital, social media, storytelling, formats, everything you should know. And in the era of rising content creation, it is in huge demand. Anything that goes on YouTube, that goes on Instagram, if you learn journalism, you will know how to do it better. You'll always have an upper hand. Ethics and law. Understand press laws, editorial ethics, privacy and responsible coverage foundation. This is also an essential part of the journalism course. Next is investigative mindset. Very important. Develop curiosity and research skills to uncover stories that matter. So in order to be a good journalist, you must have an investigative mindset. You should be curious about how things happen, why they happen, what is happening around the world. So all of this is taught when you pursue a career in journalism. So what are the learning outcomes? Students, when they become journalists, they write and edit compelling news stories across all media formats. They operate cameras, editing software and broadcast equipment. They apply media law and ethics to real-world editorial decisions. They produce content for social media, podcasts and digital platforms. Conduct interviews, field reporting and source verification. These are the top skills that you gain and what you can do after you pursue a career in journalism. Now, future scope and career path, what you can do after you've pursued a journalism degree. You can become a TV anchor, a reporter, a digital journalist and content creator, PR and corporate communications, advertising and media planning, investigative print journalism, radio jockey and podcaster, media research and academia. These are a few broad terms which you can pursue as your career, and there are so many things apart from this also. Now let's come to the top universities in Madhya Pradesh, top colleges in Madhya Pradesh which offers the journalism course. First is Sage University, which is situated in Bhopal. It was established in 2020 and the campus size is 75 acres. The fee for BJMC is approximately 1.5 lakh rupees, which is pretty affordable. The mode of admission is SEE, Sage Entrance Exam. So you have to appear for this entrance exam if you want to get into this university. That means that filter out students and only the best students study here. Next is Jagran Lake City University, which is JLU Bhopal. Jagran Lake City was established in 2013. The campus size is 232 acres and the fee structure is around 4.35 lakh rupees approximately. The mode of admission is through JLUET entrance test, which is on merit basis. Again, it filters out the students. So you have to appear for this exam if you want to study to Jagran Lake City. On number 3, we have Malvanchal University, established in 2016. The campus size is 65 acres and the fee structure very affordable, approximately 45,000 rupees only. Mode of admission, it accepts direct admission basis on your 12th class course. Next up, we have Extol College, Bhopal. It was established in 2007, 3 acres campus size. The fee for electronic media BSc is 32.7k. Very affordable again, direct admission based on your class 12 score. Now finally, we have Renaissance University, Indore, established in 2017. The campus size is 30 acres and the fee is approximately 75,000. It also accepts directly basis your 12th class score. These are the top 5 universities if you wish to pursue your journalism career from Madhya Pradesh. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to Careers 360 for more such information.